Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable background apps from running on your Windows computer. So basically background apps mean that they're applications that are running even when the user is not actively in the app's window or it's being utilized. So there's a lot of programs like printer software and different updaters that may try and run in the background. However, if you want to just keep them from running in the background and utilizing your finite system resources, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn them off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select apps. And then on the right side, underneath apps, you want to select installed apps. And then you want to go ahead and search in the apps field for whatever app you want to turn off the background processes for. Otherwise, you can just scroll down this list and then select the three-dotted icon next to whatever program you want to modify and select advanced options. Scroll down again underneath background app permissions. Let this app run in the background. Click the drop down and you can select never. And then once you're done with that, you just can close out of here, and that's all you have to do. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.